like this guy, we need to first of all work on this. This is equal to, this is what? 125 all over 1000. Okay? So this still remains the same. Okay? If you divide this one by 5, you agree with me, you're going to have 25. This divided by 5, you're going to have what? 200. Then 5 again. 5 into this will give us what? 5. Okay? Then 5 into this will give us what? 40. You go again. 5 here is 1. 5 here is what? 5 here is 8. Therefore, you cannot agree that 2x is equals to 1 over 8. Okay. Now we are here. Look at this now. What is the meaning of this with respect to 2? Because I'm seeing 2 here now. I will be thinking of 2 here. I'll be thinking of 2. So the first thing I need to do is to tell myself that this simply means 2 raised to power 3. Because this is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. This still remains the same. I've already taught us this, that whenever you see 1, if you see 1 over like this, it simply means minus. Okay? So I'm going to change this guy now to be 2, 3. In place of this 1 over this guy, okay, I'm going to put minus here. If we go further, you agree with me that the base are the same. Since this and this are the same, we can simply say these two guys are equal. Therefore, x is equals to minus 3. Okay? This, I want to solve this. Let's go straight to the second question. The second question says s raised to power minus s is equals to 243. Okay? So if you see something like this, be thinking of this 3. How can I simplify this so that it will be in form of 3? What I will simply do, you can find what? The factors in terms of 3. That is 243. 3 into this, you agree with me, is what? 81. Okay? 3 into 81, you will agree with me, is 27. 3 into this, you agree with me, is 3. You agree with me, is 9. 3 into 9, that is 3. 3 into 3, that is 1. So how many 3 do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, this is what? 3 raised to power minus x is equals to 3 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Therefore, since these two guys are definitely the same, I will simply tell myself that this is equals to this. Therefore, minus s is equals to 5. S therefore is equals to minus 5. Okay? Now let's move further. Look at this. I will also think of this in terms of 25. What should I do to bring this one in the form of 25? You agree with me that 25 multiplied by 25 is equals to 625. Therefore, this 25, which is raised to power 5x, is equals to 25 raised to power 2. Therefore, these and these are equal because the base are equal. Therefore, 5x is equals to 2. S, therefore, is equals to 2 over 5. Okay? Next. Look at this. If you want to do this now, first of all, let's work on this side. Okay? I'm going to do 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 64 raised to the power s. What is 64 in terms of 2? 64 in terms of 2. You agree with me that 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. Therefore, I will put 2 raised to the power 6 here. Then I will still retain the x. You agree with me? This means 6 times s, which is 2 raised to the power 6x. Okay? Then this still remains the same. Let's move up. I will do cross multiplication now to have 2 raised to the power 6s multiplied by 2 raised to the power x. In indices, you agree with me that if you have something like this, when we have similar base and there is this multiplication sign, you can add what? The power. That is 6x plus x. Therefore, 2 is equal to this. That is 7x. We have 4 here. What next now? What is this? This is what? 2 raised to the power 2. Therefore, you agree with me that because this and this are equal, therefore, I can also say 2, this 2 is equals to 7x. Okay? My x, therefore, is equals to 2 over 7. Finally, look at this. It says 10 raised to the power s is equals to 1 over 0.001. So let's work on that. This is simply 10 raised to the power s is equals to 1 over, this means what? 1 over 1,000. That's the meaning of this. Which is this one now. This one again over, what is 1,000? That is raised to power 3. Okay? 10 raised to power 3. So this is 10x. Still equal to, what is the meaning of this? Mean what? Raised to power minus. Raised to power what? Minus. So we have 1 over 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay? What is the meaning of this again? This one again, still mean what? This still mean minus again. So I'm going to do 10 raised to power s is equals to 10 minus 3. Then this mean what? Minus 1. Okay? So I can simply work on this now by saying this multiplied by this, that is minus 3 multiplied by minus 1, which is plus 3. Therefore, 10 raised to power s is equals to 10 raised to power 3. You will agree with me that therefore, because the base are equal, s therefore is equals to 3. I believe you understand everything we treated. In case you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video. We'll be uploading a lot of video on mathematics, at least 5 questions per a topic in each video. Thank you.